welcome to Miss Anita's phonics class. This is a place for you to learn your letter sounds and also learn to read using those letter sounds. If you're new here, please like and subscribe so that you never miss another lesson with Miss Anita. For alphabet flashcards to support learning at home or at school, please check the link in the description box and you'll be able to access them. Alright, today we are thinking about a new letter sound, but I have some picture clues for you here. They will help you to work out the sound before I reveal it. Okay, so I'm going to place the pictures over here, and if you know them, please shout them out. That's our first picture. This is the next one. Yummy. And this is the last one. Okay. What do we have here, boys and girls? You're right. We have chop. What is it doing in the picture? Chop, chop. We have chips. We have chair. All these picture names have something in common. I wonder if you can work it out. Let's check again one more time together. Chop, chips, chair. You are right. All these pictures start with the sound ch, ch. Oops, the sound is failing to come out of the box. Ch. Today we are thinking about ch sound. C and H together, they make the sound ch. Everyone say ch, ch. I would like us to practice ch sound together, alright? My turn, your turn, okay? My turn, ch. Your turn. My turn, ch. Your turn. Good job. Now, I'd like you to say ch 3 times to the person next to you or to your learning buddy. I'm going to speak to my learning buddy, okay? Ready, set, go. Ch, ch, ch. Good job, well done. Boys and girls, you are doing really well. I wonder if you can think of some words that have ch sound. Pause the video and give yourself some time to think. I'll think as well. I have thought of 3 words. I am going to sound them out and you're going to blend those sounds together to work out the words. Ready? Right. The first one is b, e, n, ch. Which one is that? Bench, bench. I can hear ch at the end. Well done. The next one is l, o, n, ch. Which one is that? Launch, launch. I can hear ch sound at the end. And the last one is it's a little bit tricky, but I know you're going to blend it, work it out. Okay. Ch, a, t. Which one is that? Chat, chat. I can hear ch at the beginning. Well done. Good job, boys and girls. You are working really well. You can hear ch sound in spoken words. You can think of words that have ch sound in them. You can recognize ch sound when it's written down. We know that C and H together, they make ch sound. Now, let's have a go at writing ch sound on our whiteboards or in our books. Okay? I'll go first and you'll have your turn as well. Okay, I know that I need C and H to make ch sound. Right. Ooh. Ch. Your turn. My turn again. C and H. Your turn. Ch. Well done. Okay, now I'd like you to write ch 3 times on your whiteboard as you say it, or in your books. Okay, let's go. My pen is running out. Ch. 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 Have you done this? If you have, give yourself a pat on the shoulder for working really hard. Good job, boys and girls. Now let's have a go at reading words with ch sound. Alright? Okay. Alright, boys and girls, let's have a go at reading words with ch sound. Remember, we sound out the letters first and then blend those sounds together to work out the words. Alright? Ready? Your turn to sound out? Let's go. I'll do the pointing. Now, blending the slow way, the fast way. Did you read it? Let's work it out together as well. Sounding out together. Everyone, let's go. Ch, a, t. Now blending the slow way. Chat. Fast way. Chat. Chat. And the word is chat. I'd like to have a chat with you. You're not in trouble. Okay, let's have another go with a different ch word. Okay? Your turn to sound out and blending. The slow way and the fast way. There you go. I'll do the pointing for you. Now blending the slow way, fast way. Did you read it? Okay, let's have a go together. Sounding out, everyone with me. Ch, e, Blending the slow way, chin. Fast way, chin, chin. And the word is chin, chin. Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. You are working really, really hard. Okay, last one. Remember to sound out these letters and then blend them together to work out the word. Okay, here you go. There you go. Now, blending the slow way, fast way. Did you read it? Okay, let's work it out together as well. Everyone sounding out with me. Ch, o, p. Now blending the slow way, chop. Oh, sorry, blending the slow way, chop. Fast way, chop, chop. And the word is chop, chop. Excellent. Well done, boys and girls. You've worked so hard on ch sound today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next lesson. Bye.